Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, The Beauty of South Africa. I'm Khalid, your host. I'm very excited to have you on board. So please stick around and join me on this exciting vlog as we embark on a trip to the Northwest Sun City with my friends, fulfilling the say that trips and memories are always better with friends. We will be starting our vlog in Pietermaritzburg and making our way through some incredible stops, including Montrose one stop, in some location at Free State, at some location in iXhilarating, then finally arriving at our accommodation at the Kingdom Resort in Wagfontein. So this was a 3-night trip. I will show you everything that actually took place in the 3 days. Starting from the premier lifestyle in the Sun City, the cable car in Brits, the boat cruise in Hartlepoort, how lit it was at the Chill K wines and restaurants. I'll try and also bring you, everything in between. So hopefully you will enjoy this video, and as we embark in this journey, I would like to highlight that your support is what keeps us going. So I'd like to please ask you to watch till the end. And if you find value in the video, please consider supporting us. I'm happy to announce that you can instantly support us through Super Thanks, the little button there at the bottom of the video, Super Stickers, so that your comments are highlighted whenever you comment on the channel, and also Super Chats whenever we are doing live chats. Every bit of support helps us continue bringing you this kind of videos, whether it also through subscribing, liking, sharing and commenting. All your support is valuable to our channel. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So as usual for people traveling from Durban to Johannesburg, the first stop when you're traveling on the N3 is usually Montrose. I stand to be corrected when I say this is located in the Free State. For those who may want to know what's it about, well, it's actually a popular stopover especially for those who are traveling to Joburg, as I said, from the KZN. So Montrose offers a variety of facilities and services. It's a great place to stretch your legs as a break. Most people also stop here to buy food or something to drink, or some of them just pick up travel essentials, something maybe that they forgot to pick up at home. They stop over here to just get it. Then after a drive of about 1 hour and a half, our next short break was at exhilarating in the Free State. Wherever we stopped, there was some residents right next to the freeway. Just to give you a little background about exhilarating in general, well, it's in the Free State. It is located in the parts of the Drakensberg Mountains. Generally, the Free State is known for its natural beauty and a rich historical significance. It was formerly a Bantu stance during the Apartheid government, and it was called the Orange Free State. So as I said, this was designed by the Apartheid government, and this area was specifically designated for the Sotho people. And at this stage, my people were so excited about the trip, there is not even a need for caption. This trip was starting to become very long. Again, we did another stop after about another 1 hour and a half. And now this location was in Balfour. Finally, we arrive at our final destination of the day, the Kingdom Resort in the northwest, Wagfontein. This was almost an 11 hours trip, excluding stops. This resort offers a variety of accommodations, and it is known for its luxurious amenities and beautiful surroundings. It's a perfect place to relax and unwind after a long day of travel. And I'm gonna show you a little bit the room that I was in. And this room is suitable for 1 or 2 people sharing. It's air conditioned, and overall the room is more than average. I give it a 10 out of 10. Well, thank you so much for joining this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching. I thought about it and decided to not make this video too long. I will just end it with the boys' night out. But please don't worry, I will have more content coming up. The continuation of the actual Sun City experience. And that video will be uploaded in the next 2 weeks. So please make sure you don't miss out on that. And I must say I'm very excited about it. After that, I will have another follow-up video of the Hartsepoort boat cruise and the Magaliesberg cable car experience. Also will be uploaded soon. Please make sure you don't miss out on it as well. If you got your notifications bell on, you surely won't miss it. This is Nkululeko Cele, your host from the beauty of South Africa, signing off. Peace.